Hi, I'm Garrett with IDC Woodcraft, and if you are a CNC router owner, I need your help. Do you remember when you were first searching out your machine, how many options were out there and how baffling it was to you, and you didn't know really what to look for, and every time you asked somebody, everybody gave you a different answer. You eventually had to pick something out and just weren't sure. Well, I was in the same boat, and what I just realized is that's a trend for every CNC router buyer. So what I decided to do is put together a survey for you who has had experience with a CNC router. And what the survey is intended to do is give a footprint of your experience with your CNC router, how the machine runs, the build, your overall feel for it, the customer support, which you know is really important, and some other tidbits. And what I'm doing is gonna take that data that you and other people fill out and gather it all together so I can come up with a nice table of selections for those people so they can have a really good profile for what they're looking for. So if you would do them a favor and go down to the description, there's a link there that will take you to that survey, and it'll probably take you like 5 minutes to fill out. And fill it out. And then at the end, it asks for your email and your name, because what I'm going to do is give you a vector file that I sell, or a couple files. You'll have to give me a couple days on that, because I have to manually get the emails and send you the files. So if you would do that, we can together pay it forward and help those people out avoid the pain that you and I went through. So you, as a CNC router owner, with your experience with your brand of machine, can give some really good feedback. So I know that the future buyers will appreciate it. So if you would, please go down, get on that survey and fill it out so we can help them. And I know they thank you. I'll talk to you soon.